Compliances are one of the vehicles to deliver your business effectively and efficiently. Imagine within yourself that you are working as an entrepreneur or as a business owner. Doesn't matter what size of business you have, whether it is large, mid, or small. But for each of the business, compliances are one of the instrument, one of the tools that is going to help you to shape your business. That is going to help you to increase the business value. That is going to help you to increase the customer base because you are working as a trusted partner and your partners can believe on you because you are complied for. When we talk about the last sector, there is a system, there is a process, there is a methodology, there is a team, and that team is helping in the business growth by complying with all those compliance. But when it comes to know about that small and medium enterprises, small and medium sector, most of the entrepreneurs have a thought process then they are focusing more on profitability, they are focusing more on the business value additions, they are focusing more on the customer base, and they are not keeping the compliance well. So business is here, compliance is here, there is a big gap. What would be happen over the period of the time is that you are running behind the notices and assessment because the way the government is working on the governing law, and if you are not complied with, you are going to receive more notices, you are going to receive more assessment, and your focus will be divert from the customer base, the profitability base, the business value additions to the compliance. Make sure that if you are working as an entrepreneur or you wanted to bring more productivity in your business, you wanted to call yourself as a successful entrepreneur, think about the compliance, particularly for the small and medium sector who generally believe that we have to focus on profitability, we have to focus on the business value additions and not focusing on the compliance. Right, I'm putting some of the example that can help you to understand this, that why compliances are important. You are doing the sales or services to your customer. You are charging GST on that particular invoice. You have charged the GST, but not paid the government to the government. And because of that, what happened? That your customer is not going to take the input benefit. What would be happen over the period of that time that your customer is not going to do the business with you because you are not complied with the GST. Whatever the GST you have charged, instead of paying to the government, you have just absorbed in your profitability. You have increased the profitability base. So over the period of that time, when you are going to receive the notices that you have charged the GST but you have not paid to the government, you have to pay the GST with the interest, with the penalty, and the costing would be more. In other scenario, when you are making the payment to your supplier after deducting TDS, you have deducted TDS, but you have not paid to the government. Whatever the TDS you have deducted, you have kept in your packet. So the supplier has not get the benefit of that particular TDS you have deducted but not deposited. Think logically. Then how your supplier is going to work with you in a longer period of the time? You are non-compliant with the TDS. And because of that, your business partner, whether it is customer, suppliers or other, is not going to work with you because you are not giving the importance to your compliance. You are not passing the taxations benefit to your customer, to your supplier. And that is going to create more problem in your business. You might be have a dozens of advantage in your business. You might be have a large customer base, but if you are not fulfilling the compliance, if you are not giving the taxation benefit to your customers, your business is not going to run the way you want it to be. And over the period of the time, your business is going to be completely shut down. So this is very important that if you are thinking about the business, if you are going to increase the business value, if you are making more building your business and profitability, then make sure that you are complying with all those requirements, and that is going to help you to increase the business value. That is going to help you to increase the productivity in your business, and you will be called as a successful business partner. In your government record, you will be called as a trusted business entrepreneur, and that is going to help in your business. So keep remember, if you are working as an entrepreneur or as a business owner, fair enough, your first responsibility and the fundamental responsibility is that how you are going to increase the business base, how you are going to increase the customer base. It is good. It is the requirement, because if you do not have the business, how you are going to manage your all compliance. But please keep remember, when your business is going to grow or not, but at one point of time, you have to manage all those compliance. You keep remember, then if you do not have any sales value for any particular month, still you have to file the GST return. So keep remember, my dear friend, this is very important. Then if you have started your business in a longer way, with the objective that you are going to run your business in a longer way, you have to keep your compliance in a very well manner. Compliance is going to create more business base over the period of the time. And the benefit of the compliance is not in a short term. When your business is growing and you have given more values in your business, you have spent more time in your business, particularly for 1 decade and more than 1 decade, your compliance is going to support you, because you are working as a trusted partner, and wherever you wanted to do the business, wherever you are going to pitch your business with the customer, your customer will also see the record that how the business partner who are coming here for the business is the record, and your record will found an excellent record that you are a trusted partner, you are paying the tax regularly, you are complying with all governing law, you are not defaulting any of the governing law and compliance, and that is going to create more values, and you are easy to pitch your business with the customer. You will become a business partner for that customer. So think business, increase the productivity in the business, increase more profitability in the business. You have to also think about your compliance. It is as good as that you are focusing more on the profitability, more on the business value. You have to focus on the compliance. Business increase, compliance increase. And over the period of that time, government also notice and who are the trusted partner, who are complying with all those requirements. And that is more important for you. So think business, think compliance. If your business is growing, you have to grow your compliance standard. And if you are not growing your compliance standard, you are running behind the notices and the assessment. And that is going to create more problem in your business. Because once you have created your trust, your brand, and you are not complying with the governing law, it is not acceptable for you individually, because you have created your business from scratch. And that is going to create a hurt in your mind and in your business as a whole. So keep remember, if you have focusing more on your business, start to focus on the compliance. At the beginning level, you might believe, but when your business is going to grow, when your productivity is in the excellent way, when your profitability is good, when your business size is excellent, you have to focus on your compliance. Just increase the compliance base, because compliance is one of the feeler, one of the vehicle which can help you to deliver your business effectively and efficiently. So as an entrepreneur or as a business owner, think business, think compliance. This is Nitin signing out. Until we meet again, thank you. Thank you very much.